CryptoEL here, welcome. Today I'm gonna talk about the week 3 of Metamask missions. If you haven't watched the previous two parts, watch them, because in the first part I'm explaining kinda everything, but I will give you an overview now. So for the third week we have missions based on BNB Smart Chain, on Binance, and on Polygon, also on Arbitrum, but those two are kinda expensive. That's why if you watch the previous one, you will see that I completed only the entrance on those on the right by swapping them. Previous week 10 people earned 500 worth of euro and 500 worth of LDO, 5 of each of 2 coins. This week I will have more entries. The previous weeks I had 11 out of 82, that's why I didn't win anything. But this week I have more chance because I completed both. This one is not loaded, but I can show you on my Metamask the activity. I done it here. We just need some time and it will appear. So simple as that. You see, I swapped 2 cents per swap, easy as that, on Polygon, and same thing kinda on BNB, even less, probably a cent, because I'm doing that with so small money that you cannot even imagine. The previous ones were like we needed to pay for gas fees on Ethereum, on Arbitrum, and so on Linear, I think. But today we have the opportunity to do it on Binance Smart Chain and on Polygon, in which there are kinda no gas fees. So it was that easy. And I recommend you to do the same and to hope for the best. We need that. The price will be again 5 winners worth $500 of comp and 5 winners worth $500 of WBTC. You can see there are 2 more missions. If you do them, it will be better, but they are kinda expensive. It will cost you some money. You can check by yourself. Okay, so this one is not loading for now, but never mind. You see the last update like 20 minutes ago. Probably that's why 30 minutes ago, something like that. That's why it's not, probably it's not refreshed, but never mind. So how I had some issues on Polygon, and actually thanks to Honeygain, I switched easy as that jump coin. I'll show you in a bit. This is the coins, close to 23 of those. This is like $23. So I earned that completely passive. You can see I was earning those and those, and actually I was not even it moved. I was not doing kinda anything. Also, if you follow that, you have every day a pot that you can open, and I won 5 today. So see, even I have a reward, 1000 credits. Interesting. So I just earned $1, something like that, not sure. And there will be a link in the description for this. I have the link and video about it probably 3 years ago. Also there will be a link for the jump task, because actually here is the place. You simply have to put that on and you will earn more. Not only you will earn more, but it will be easy as that. You can see I earned $15 from jump task, and you simply click and withdraw it on Binance or on your Metamask, on Binance Smart Chain, or on Polygon. Simple as that, easy as that. So this will give you the small amount which you need to transfer and to do those coins, to do those missions, I mean. Thanks to this one, I done it. Simple as that, easier, I mean. Yes, so basically this is for the third week. This is the final week. In a couple of days it will end. It will end on August 9th, so in 2 days. Be sure to do that. It kinda costs you nothing. And we can hope to win it, right? Because if we win a 500 worth of this or this, it will be mind-blowing. So we're gonna find out. And yeah, and this is it. The links will be in the description. Put a comment down below and we'll see each other in the next video. Have a good one.